What's up YouTube? This is Petrol Enthusiast coming back at you again with a short video on how to change your batteries on your key fob on your Mercedes. So earlier this week I noticed that my signal to my key fob was getting weak, and because it wasn't alarming the car or unlocking or removing or unlocking the trunk. So the first thing I thought of, maybe it's the battery, and my friend told me how to do it, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it really quick. First you're going to need two cl600 batteries. You can pick these up at Good Guys or Best Buy for about under 10 bucks. If you go online you could probably get them cheaper, but you're gonna have to wait, and I needed them right away, so I got 4 for, I think it was $7.99, tax under 10 bucks, so it wasn't too bad. So these are the batteries that you're going to be using. Now you're going to need 2 of them, which I already used. So on your key fob on your Mercedes, now what I have is a 2001 cl600. There's going to be a little switch here that you're going to go left at to put the key out, and that's going to remove the hard key out of the key fob. Now in the key fob there is a gray slot, as you can see right here. What you're going to do is push that. As you can see, I'm pushing it to the left, so I'm going to push it to the left and then slide this carefully up. Now take particular care when sliding this up, because it's made out of plastic and you know how delicate that is. And mine is a 2001, so I'm very meticulous about that. Just in case though, I did buy one 2 weeks ahead of time, a new one. So just in case, these are pretty available too on eBay, Amazon, for about under $10. I'll show another video on how to swap out the CPU, the remote unit here to here, but right now I'm just going to do the battery. So what we're going to do is slide this out nice and slow, and right there you're going to see the writing here, either English and German, and you want to make sure that this side of the key fob is negative and the opposite side is positive. They're going to have a plus and a minus on them, so you want to make sure that that's right. And to remove the battery, there's just a little tab here. You just depress it up and this comes off. But since I already replaced the battery, let's see how that popped out. So since I replaced the battery, that's a perfect example for me to snap it back in. There's a little slot where this tab goes, and it's like barely, you could see it with your eye, but you just have to depress it, and sometimes you're going to need a tool. There, I depressed it in, and it's real delicate, so just be careful. And the opposite side is positive. Oh, this side's the negative side because it doesn't have the lettering on the battery. And this side where the gray tab is positive. So there's probably going to be dirt in here and lint that you don't want. So what you could do is use one of those computer cleaners, those compressed airs, or if you have an air compressor with just light air, just blow it in there to get some of the dirt and lint out. That helps. So the signal is a lot clearer when you depress each action on the remote. So now that we have the battery changed, we are going to put this back in, and now the Mercedes emblem is facing me, and the positive side of the battery is facing me with the white label on this side. So we're just going to put this back in. It should slide in nice and easy. You don't want to force it, so you're just going to push it in until it goes in. And now we're going to put the hard key back in, and it should be ready to go. So let's go give it a test on the Benz right now. See if she'll lock and unlock. Okay, right now she is unlocked. I'm going to lock her. There she goes. Now she's armed. Now I'm going to disarm her. And she's unlocked. So it seems to be working. I'm getting the arm and disarm is working, and the trunk is working as well. And there you have it. Quick and easy step on how to replace your battery key fob on your Mercedes Benz cl600, 500, 600, or 55. Yeah, 55. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching my video. I should be done editing my video on replacing the driver's side coil pack on the car. I just have to work on the second half of that just to get the bugs out and try to make it look nice and clean to where there's no where each transition is smooth, you know what I'm saying? But thank you for watching, and hopefully, you know, this helps you out as it did help me out learning this new DUI. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.